Dave Ramsey's 7 Baby Steps in the World of Finance. A review. The beginning is a very important part to any story, even in the world of finances. This is why it's important to have some sound guidance on where and how to start managing your money wisely. In this video, we will be covering the 7 baby steps in the financial management. This is based on Dave Ramsey's book titled Total Money Makeover, Classic Edition, A Proven Plan for Financial Fitness. Hi, welcome to RCA Finance Guide, where we'll be talking about the topics of handling finances and making money. This channel will definitely help you start your dream to be financially literate. We will upload videos to the channel for your watching pleasure 3 to 4 times per week. If you have any feedback and questions about this video or want topics you would like to see, make sure to comment them down below. Also, make sure to press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be updated on all of our latest videos. Before we discuss the 7 baby steps, let's meet the man behind the principle. Dave Ramsey is an 8-time national best-selling author, personal finance expert, and host of The Ramsey Show, heard by 23 million listeners every week. He has appeared in Good Morning America, CBS This Morning, Today, Fox News, CNN, Fox Business, and many more. Since 1992, Dave has helped people take control of their money, build wealth, and enhance their lives. He also serves as CEO for the company Ramsey Solutions. According to Dave Ramsey, these 7 steps are best followed in chronological order, but may be done at your own pace. These are simple, straightforward method steps that enable you to see which expense or investment is most important. Step 1. Save $1,000 as an emergency fund. Life happens. These must be kept in a separate liquid account for easy access. Once you start on your financial journey, there could be a hospital bill that needs to be settled, an urgent house repair that needs to get done, or someone from your family might need it. Either way, being prepared with at least $1,000 is going to save you from a lot of headache and stress. Step 2. Pay off debts other than your mortgage. This includes your credit card bills, your car loan, and some cash you borrowed from your uncle a few weeks ago. You need to pay for these things as soon as you can. It's very important to take this very seriously. Here, you can do the snowball methods. This means paying off the smallest of all your loans as quickly as possible. Once the debt is paid, you take money you were putting toward that payment and roll it onto the next smallest debt owed. Ideally, this process would continue until all accounts are paid off. Step 3. Pay into an emergency fund to accumulate 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. So take note of how much your household needs per month and multiply that by 3 or 6. That is your target amount for this. You add this amount to your initial $1,000. These should be kept in a very liquid account like savings and checking account. We have covered 3 of the 7 steps so far. What are your opinions and thoughts about the initial steps? Please tell us in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Step 4. Invest 15% of your household income into a pre-tax or tax advantage account. This is for your retirement account. Additionally, if you are employed and have a steady income, you can invest a portion of your income to your 401k. This is on top on the contribution that your employer is already providing. A 401k plan is a company-sponsored retirement account to which employees can contribute income, while employers may match contributions. Step 5. College funding for kids. This is very important if you have kids. There are plenty of educational plans that provide a good deal. You can start looking at them even before the birth of your child, so you are ready to start investing as soon as they are born. If you do not plan to have any kids, consider helping out a niece or nephew. These can help change someone's lives. Step 6. Pay off your mortgage early. Of course, there could be some loophole to this. If your mortgage rate is very low and you are using your money to make wise and profitable investments instead, then maybe paying your mortgage at a normal rate is justifiable. Just make sure you make a higher return rate in investment compared to your mortgage rate. Step 7. Building wealth and giving. This is making money than helping others. You can give charity, send someone to college, make a substantial donation to your church. If there's a favorite park in your town that you want to be better cared for, you can donate to that. There are plenty of ways to help out and share your wealth. This makes it more fulfilling to earn and grow your wealth. We have covered all 7 steps. What are your opinions and thoughts about the initial steps? Please tell us in the comments section below. If there are other topics you would like to see, please tell us in the comments as well. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, here is a quick summary of the 7 steps for better retention. Step 1. Save $1,000 as emergency fund. Step 2. Pay all your debts. Step 3. Pay into an emergency fund 3 to 6 months worth your monthly expense. This is additional to the $1,000 you set aside. Step 4. Invest 15% of your household income in an investment and retirement account. Step 5. Start a college fund for your kids. Step 6. Pay off your mortgage early. And step 7. Build your wealth and give back. There you have it, Dave Ramsey's 7 baby steps in financial management. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you are interested in investing but currently do not have enough savings to do so, please watch our other videos on side hustles and part-time gigs that can help you earn extra so that you can be one step closer to financial independence. Furthermore, if you are interested in investing in stocks, we also have a video called Stock Market for Beginners to help you on your journey. Please share this video to your friends who are starting their financial journey as well. As always, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you will be notified when we drop our next video. Take care.